welcome back to my channel. Today, we're doing a full walkthrough of this stunning property, a perfect blend of modern comfort and rustic charm. Let's start with the exterior. Notice the beautifully landscaped gardens. Mature trees provide shade and privacy. The driveway is spacious enough for multiple cars. The exterior is clad in a rich dark wood, complemented by large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The overall impression is one of sophisticated elegance. Now, let's step inside. The entryway is bright and airy, with high ceilings and gleaming hardwood floors. To the left, we have a formal living room, perfect for entertaining. Notice the large fireplace, a focal point of the room, ideal for cozy evenings. The natural light floods in through these expansive windows, highlighting the tasteful decor. Across the hall, we have a more casual family room, a perfect space for relaxation. It's open plan, flowing seamlessly into the kitchen and dining area. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring high-end appliances, granite countertops, and ample cabinet space. The island is a great spot for casual dining or prepping meals. The dining area easily fits a large table, perfect for family dinners or gatherings with friends. Upstairs, we find the bedrooms. The master suite is simply breathtaking. It boasts a luxurious ensuite bathroom with a soaking tub, a walk-in shower, and double vanities. The walk-in closet is huge, offering plenty of storage space. The other bedrooms are equally spacious and well-appointed, each with its own unique character. Now, let's head back downstairs and check out the outdoor spaces. The backyard is an oasis of tranquility. There's a large patio, perfect for al fresco dining or simply relaxing with a good book. The lush landscaping provides plenty of privacy. There's also a built-in barbecue area, ideal for summer entertaining. Overall, this property is a rare find. A beautiful home with a perfect blend of indoor and outdoor living spaces. It's move-in ready and waiting for its new owners. If you're interested in learning more, the contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home tours.